Welcome to the Tourism Golden app tutorial series. Now that you're familiar with the app, we're going to look at filter and search customizations. You can use the filter to narrow down your search. Go into one of the main tabs to begin and tap on the filter icon on the top right corner of the screen. The filter options will correspond with the category you are in. For example, in the To-Do tab, you can filter by activity or attraction type. And in the Stay tab, you can filter by accommodation type. You can clear the filter by tapping Select All. Check the box next to your categories of interest to bring up all of the related options. You can check as many boxes as you'd like to include in your filter. To clear your selection, tap the respective boxes again or tap the Select All box. Tap on Close to see the full listings. You can use the search bar if you know exactly what you're looking for. Access the search bar at the top of the screen. To get out of the search, click the collection of squares at the top left-hand corner, and this will bring you back to the home page. Use these features in the app to plan ahead and make the most of your time in Golden.